Welcome back. I'm Natalia, your master trainer. On today's videos, we will be talking about the Lash Lift Kit. We will be teaching you how to use it properly and how to get the best results. A lot of you already use it and love it, but some of you have some questions, and we're here to help you with that. So enjoy the video! First, we're going to clean her lashes with a lash shampoo. So after the lashes are clean, we're going to use a lash pad. This is going to help us to hold the lower lashes and keep them in place. Ask your clients to open their eyes. Close. And don't place the lash pad until they fully close. Open. Close. After lash pads, we're gonna make sure all the lower lashes are in place. To do that, we simply use the tweezers and we're just gonna tackle in any lashes that are outside. Clean lash one, you just want to brush them to make sure the lashes are perfectly in place, and you want to see if there's any left mascara in it. We're gonna get the lash pads or the rods. These ones are the ones that are gonna tell us how the lash lifts are gonna be. So you want to make sure you measure them before applying them to make sure the lashes don't go over. So in her case, she's an M1. This glue we're gonna place it on the back of the lash rods. So you just get the glue. And we just have a fair amount of the glue in the back of the pads. You can do it with your hands, but I like to use my tweezers. So you take the rods and then you place it very, very close to the lash line of the lashes. And then slowly you adjust it. Till it's fully cover all the lash line, but you can only see a little bit of the skin. To put the lashes in place on the rods, we have two options. We have the Easy Lift. This is a balm. It's super easy to use. I'm going to show you how to use it. And then we have the glue from the kit. This is very easy to use as well, and I'm going to show you how to use it. To use the glue from the kit, this is how we do it. We get the brush from the kit, from the glue. We do like a tiny line underneath the lashes. And then slowly you start applying by the lash lift slowly, the glue, and then with the flat part you just want to put them in place. Get the glue again and do another section. Brush them, making sure the glue goes in between the hairs. And the flat part, just take the excess and put them in place. And done. To apply the Easy Lift, simply you get a little bit of the balm, put it in the palm of your hand, and then start the application with a Q-tip. Start slowly. After applying the balm, you simply start brushing the lashes, making sure they don't cross over each other, and they're in the place that you want them to be. And done. When your lashes are done, you're ready for step number 2. They come in little sachets, so it's very easy to use. So what you're gonna do is that you wanna cut them, make like a V like this, and then you do a little cut so it has like a little bit of an opening. And with the same sachet, you have to do the application. So you're gonna do it very close to the lash line without touching the skin, making like a line very slowly. Remember that the lash lift, the perm number 2 or 3, we only apply it to the 2/3 of the lashes. We never touch the roots, and we try not to touch the skin. Now with the tweezers, I'm just gonna distribute the cream on the roots. Making sure we cover all the roots, again without touching the skin. And leaving the ends without touching. In this case, I left for 7 minutes the perm, and now we're gonna go ahead and clean the trim. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get like a wet cotton pad. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water, and with a brush, I'm just gonna brush the cream up and then cleaning the pad. We try to do it very soft. Try to maintain the lashes in place. Try to keep the lashes in place. Making sure we remove all the solution. Once we clean everything, you want to make sure that all the lashes are back in place, so you kind of go with the brush again, put them back in place. If they move. If they didn't move, just good luck. Now we're gonna go ahead with step number 3. This is the sachet from the kit. Again, we're gonna cut it. We're gonna do like a V. And then we're gonna cut a little piece just to allow the solutions to go properly from there, and then we can use it to apply. So slowly we're gonna apply very close to the roots without touching the skin, and obviously without touching the tips. With the tweezer, we're gonna do the same thing again. We're gonna try to cover all the area very, very close to the roots. And we're gonna leave this for 7 minutes. So after step 3 is done, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna get a cotton pad with a little bit of water, and we're gonna use our brush to remove all the solutions. Remember, always from the roots all the way to the tip. After everything is completely removed with the brush, we're gonna get another cotton pad, a little bit of water, and we're gonna start removing all the glue from the lashes. So we're gonna do it slowly, in upward motions, making sure you remove all the solutions first, and then you dissolve all the glue. Slowly start putting the lashes away, and then with the same cotton pad, go underneath the cotton rod, go underneath the lash rods, and then glue them softly. Go gentle, but you want to go in between. You want to make sure all the glue is removed from the lashes. And we're just gonna repeat the same process in the other eye. Now I can go ahead and remove the lash pads. We're gonna get a lash wand, and we're gonna get the lash step. Step number 4. Step number 4 is a nourishing oil. This one is just gonna help the lashes to get moisture and get some hydration on them. So we're gonna just dip the oil on the lash wand. We're gonna just press it. I like to press it so it's all over the plate, and then we're gonna just brush the lashes upwards. Always upwards. You don't want to push them down, okay? You always want to go upwards. So we do it like this. going in between them, making sure that oils goes everywhere. I know it's in an upward motion. And voila! Our lash lift is done. You can softly open your eyes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that the video was super helpful. Leave a comment down below and let us know if you have any questions or comments about the kit. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. See you next time!